Hi, if you have a website or any landing page that is built with HubSpot CMS, then you can easily integrate Google Tag Manager with your website. Google Tag Manager is very useful to track your conversion and any user activity on your website. So it is a really popular tool. It is a Google tool. So I will show you how you can integrate your Google Tag Manager with your HubSpot CMS built website. So to do that, at first you need to go to your HubSpot account. In your account, you need to click on here the setting icon. So click on it, and now in the left side menu you need to scroll down. Under the tools, you'll see there is a content option. Just expand this option and scroll down a bit, and you will see the page options. You need to click on it, and then you'll have the templates tab. In this tab, you will able to put your GTM header code and footer code, and that's it. That's very easy. So to do that, you need to have your Google Tag Manager account. Here I have my Google Tag Manager account. This is a web GTM. And to integrate your GTM, just click on this icon in this ID, and you will have your header code. Just copy it, click on it. Your header code will be copied, and go back to your HubSpot account. And here in the site header HTML, just paste the code here. That's it. And you need to put the body code again. So go back to your GTM and copy this code as well. And go back to your HubSpot account and copy it in the site footer HTML section. So that's it. Now you need to save it, and successfully you'll have your GTM integrated with your website that is built on HubSpot CMS. Just like this website, you can see this website is built with HubSpot CMS. So after that, you will successfully track all the user activities of your website. So this is a short video. I hope it's helpful. In the next video, I'll show you how you can track HubSpot form with enhanced conversion. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.